Techbuyer's HPE server configurator enables you to quickly and accurately build servers to meet your specific business requirements. It's easy to use, as we will demonstrate in this video. Following the step-by-step process on the right-hand side of the screen, you start from the chassis of your chosen HPE server and add compatible components starting from CPUs and memory right the way through to power supplies. As you can see, there are a range of components to choose from. These are all in our global stock of over 225,000 IT parts, so whatever you choose, our service specialists will be able to configure it for you. The price also changes depending on which components you select, so you can chop and change according to what works for you in your environment. Once you've added everything, you can review what you've selected and make edits where wanted. You also have the option to tell us if you have any preference or questions, such as wanting to choose third-party alternative items. Your order then goes through to our service specialists, who get back to you with a server quote within 60 minutes. They will also offer alternatives or cost savings where applicable. You can check out this configurator at techbuyer.com.